Are you looking for a smart investment strategy that can make you rich? Let's open the conversation with dividend investing. It's a strategy where you invest in entities that pay out dividends, essentially, a slice of their profits, to shareholders. It's a great way to create an additional income stream, and over time, as these dividends stack up, they can significantly contribute to your wealth. Now you might be wondering, sure, this works with traditional stocks, but what about cryptocurrencies? Can this method work with something like Ethereum? You'll be thrilled to know that indeed it can. With the rollout of Ethereum 2.0, there's an opportunity to stake your Ethereum and earn dividends in the form of interest. It's a game-changing situation for Ethereum investors, so dividend investing is a proven method for building wealth. But how does this apply to Ethereum? You might be wondering, how can you apply this strategy to cryptocurrency, specifically Ethereum? Let's dive right in. When we talk about Ethereum, we're referring to a blockchain platform that's open source, decentralized and secure. Ethereum has its own native cryptocurrency called Ether. But Ethereum isn't just about Ether. It's also about smart contracts, decentralized apps, and the Ethereum virtual machine. Now let's talk about Ethereum 2.0. This is a major upgrade to the existing Ethereum blockchain. One of the key features of Ethereum 2.0 is staking. In the world of Ethereum, staking is a process where you lock up a certain amount of your Ether in a smart contract. By doing this, you're actively participating in the Ethereum network's operations, like validating transactions and maintaining network security. But here's the exciting part. By staking your Ether, you can earn dividends. Yes, you heard that right. Dividends in the form of interest. This isn't your traditional dividend investing where you're buying stocks of a company that pays out a portion of its earnings to shareholders. With Ethereum, the dividends are paid out in Ether. So let's put it all together. You start by buying Ether, the native cryptocurrency of Ethereum. Then you stake your Ether, which means you're locking it up in a smart contract. By doing this, you're supporting the Ethereum network. And in return for your support, you earn dividends. This is passive income that you can earn while you sleep, while you're on vacation, or while you're doing absolutely nothing. You see, by staking your Ethereum, you're not just sitting on your investment and hoping it appreciates in value. You're actively participating in the Ethereum network and earning dividends in the process. It's a win-win situation. So, by staking your Ethereum, you are not only supporting the network, but you're also earning passive income in return. Now, isn't that a smart way to invest in cryptocurrency? Now you might be thinking, why should I consider dividend investing with Ethereum? Well, let's dive into the perks this strategy has to offer. Ethereum dividend investing is a bit like having your cake and eating it too. You see, it allows you to hold on to your assets while watching them grow in value over time. But the cherry on top is the steady stream of income it can provide. By staking your Ethereum or investing in dividend-paying tokens, you're not just sitting on a digital asset, you're actively creating a passive income stream. Think of it as your Ethereum working overtime, earning you dividends while you go about your day. And let's not forget, this isn't just any income, it's income in Ether, a cryptocurrency with immense potential for growth. So if you're looking to make your Ethereum work for you, dividend investing through staking is the way to go. So, are you ready to start building your wealth with Ethereum dividend investing? The journey to financial freedom is paved with wise investments, and Ethereum dividend investing is a strategy you don't want to overlook. By staking your Ethereum or investing in dividend-paying tokens, you're not just holding assets, you're creating an income stream. You're earning while you're learning, growing your wealth passively. And let's not forget, by staking, you're also contributing to the Ethereum network, fostering its growth and stability. It's a win-win situation. You see, your Ethereum investment can do more than just sit in your digital wallet. It can work for you, producing dividends that can significantly increase your wealth over time. So, why wait? Begin your Ethereum dividend investing journey today. Start building your wealth today with this innovative strategy. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more investment tips and strategies.